I think law firms are mostly feeling that they're preparing well for the changes ahead of hybrid working, but I'm not, in truth, seeing a lot of evidence that that's the case. And I think that, look, it's really difficult. We've just had this pandemic year and everyone's been under such a lot of pressure. There's so much to do. There's been a lot of work even during the pandemic year. So all lawyers have remained pretty busy. So they've been working hard. Everyone's been at home pretty much full time. We've now got to move to this new world of hybrid working where some people are going to be at home, some people are going to be at the office, some people are going to be wherever they are, and locked behind a border and not able to get across to their home state or whatever. And I think everyone's feeling very confident that they've got the agility to cope with that because they've experienced working from home, with everyone at home. But hybrid working is really different. And what the research that we've done has shown that those companies, not law firms because firms haven't done it before, but the companies that have spent time doing hybrid working have made a lot of mistakes and they've learned a lot from their trial and error. And one of the things that is consistently agreed that doesn't work is just letting your team, big or small, do whatever they want. That, the people who've done it before will tell you, is a bad idea. It doesn't work. You don't get the benefits that you think you're going to get. You end up with a lot of problems with cohesion. And it really will, the company can really suffer if you just let it be carte blanche. So, and at the moment, I think most of the firms, that's what they're going for. So there might be a rule about 3 days in the office, 2 days at home. But other than that one rule, there's no control about who is in the office when, and making sure that people are spending time together that they need to spend together. There tends to not be a lot of control. So we've obviously put together our white paper with we've pulled together all of the research from the companies that have done this before, publications. It's not about law firms, but you pick it up and we've applied it to law firms so that they can hopefully, instead of going through the pain, they can learn from other people's mistakes and start to put in place what we say is managed hybrid working. We say you need to manage it. You need to have structure, you need to have a plan, and you need to be really engaging with all of the things that can go wrong when you let everyone decide who's going to be in the office and who isn't. And there has been some thought leadership on that coming out from some law firm leaders, talking about particularly the risk to say, if all the women in a firm are at home and all the men are in the office, what is that going to do long term? After a year of that, after 2 years of that, what is that going to look like? You're going to have this firm where all the men are working together physically all the time and all the women are working at home who have kids. And so people are calling it out a little bit, but we're not talking a lot about solutions. So we, as I said, we are focused on the management of it, and that you need to actually focus on what it is lawyers do, when they need to be together, structure that togetherness time, structure that collaborative time, look for team cohesion time. A lot of it doesn't even need to be in the office at all. Most of it doesn't need to be in the office. To be together as a team, really, you don't need to be in the office at all. You can go bowling, you can go to a hotel for a week and, whatever, go duck hunting, doesn't matter. It's about what is it that you want to do that's going to bring you together, and collaboration time if that's needed, and then let everybody go their separate ways the other time. But you really need to be focused on it and understand how people work, what drives people, and what the risks are to an organisation if you just let everyone do as they wish.